Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make Reels on Instagram. Instagram Reels is a new way to create and post short entertaining videos on the app. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the profile page. Click on the plus icon at the top of the screen and select the Reel option. As soon as the camera screen opens, you will see the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen that allows you to add a sound, choose the length and speed of the video, apply effects, use layout feature, set a timer. After that, record the video by tapping the button or upload the one from your camera roll by pressing on the icon in the bottom left corner of the camera screen. Once you have the video, you can edit it by mixing audio, adding voiceover, using effects, inserting stickers, drawing or writing something. When you finish editing your video, hit the next button. Now you can add a caption, decide whether you want to upload your Reels video to feed or not, tag people, or even rename your video original audio. After that, click on the Share button in order to upload your video to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make Reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.